Hey guys, today we're at the Auckland Epsom Showgrounds for the Coffee and Cars car show. As you see, them all still rolling in here. There's a lot of cars here today. There's more and more just turning up all the time. So we're just going to go for a wander around and see what we got today. There's going to be a lot, so this is going to be a big one. Cars are just rolling in all the time. We've basically got every type of car here today. Not just classic cars, got everything. There's old Goldie, you've seen this one before. Alright, let's get amongst it all. This looks awesome. Let's have a look. Wow. Nice truck. Now, well, let's go down the aisles. Nice Challenger. Corvette. As I said, we've got everything here.
We've only got more room under the 73 bonnets.
Skyline. Good selection of cars here today.